What's up, guys? Today we're going to look at I guess a plumber went to a guy's house and hooked up outside spigot, but he never told the homeowner that the main water shutoff inside the basement was had went bad. He never told him anything, and I got my helper Alyssa Biggs here with me, my daughter, and so yeah, we're just gonna go check it out and see what we got going on today. Here's what we got, guys. That old valve's done for, but all right, I found the second problem here. The guy put a spigot in, but man, it's pouring too. Y'all see the water down there? Man, he didn't do nothing right, I don't guess. That old PVC is awful anyway. All right. Our Lowe's didn't have nothing. We got everything we need. Finally found some stuff to fix it. I'm wedging this behind it so I don't have to keep fighting with it off the wall. See, it'll just spin around. And once I get it cut, it's almost cut. Ow, got my finger. I'm getting it cut. I'm getting close now. Another one down. Time for a connector. Then we're switching over to 3/4 PEX. Well, I gotta sand it first. Definitely don't want to do it on without sanding it. Lost paint off. There it went. You see it? It's gotta go down pretty good ways. All right. Next, we gotta get us a piece of PEX, connect these two. All right, so we got a piece of 3/4 PEX to connect them. This is gonna be hard to do because we don't have anything hardly moving at all. Make sure we're in the close. Cut it. Oh, it should go. Come on now. Find something thick on the end. Hard to get in, it's so big and short. See it go? Alright, now this is the last but not least. Straps. I need to loosen this strap and retighten it, I guess. You see it go down that time? I think we're good to go now. Now let's go get this from out behind it. And the shutoff goes like this. And then see it says off, on. This is on. This is off. Thank God we got it. I need to put that strap back on, I guess. So the, you know, it won't move. Alright guys, we got the old style valve out of it. Somebody had stripped the whole top of it off, but we got a ball valve in here now and it's shark bite. A lot of people don't like shark bite, but I do. They last just as good as anything else, and they're way easier to use. Did this an awful job. Seriously. So somebody put whoever they hired put the outside spigot in also, and they did an awful job with this CPVC. So I'm replacing it with shark bite, threaded shark bite fitting also to deal with the mess. Alright. Alright, first thing is our shark bite, threaded shark bite piece. Let's see what we got. Wherever it is, there it is. First thing we gotta do is thread to the outside spigot. They put a spigot in that wouldn't freeze. They sure didn't tighten it. Alright, now we're putting the thread tape on. We're gonna try our best to here, because this is an awful spot. Alright, so we hooked up to the back of the spigot. You can see right there's to the back of the frost-proof spigot, and we got to run it to here. So I just got a shark bite elbow and some pegs to connect it. So here's the pegs and the elbow. Got that part in. Now there's that part. Then there's the CPVC parts in. That should do it. So guys, give a good look at it. That's for the outside spigot, and then we connected it in. I didn't want that PEX close, or didn't want the CPVC close to that spigot, because if it gets cold, it will bust.
Okay guys, so now we have to check and see if it's gonna squirt out of there and there.
Alright, water's back on. Thing's nice and dry. We've got a good ball valve that'll last a long time. So this should last a while. Alright, let's get the next one. Check this next one, see if we got it dried up. The outside spigot. Always feel under it, make sure there's nothing. Oh yeah, it's nice and dry. So we're good to go. What's up guys? We finished the job up. Everything's dried up in the basement. All the plumbing's good and secure. I told the guy if there's any issues to please don't hesitate to call me, because I will make it right if there's anything wrong. Anyways, thank you guys. And thank you for watching, and until next time.
Bye.
See ya.